Hello everyone, this is Noxious Somnium, or Somnus Nox, and you're expecting me to play Fez, but no, we're going to be playing another game called Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons. The thing about Fez is more of an exploration kind of game, and even though it has a plot, it's not really linear, it's more non-linear, exploration. So right now we're going to play two games, Fez, just for fun, and we're going to do an actual linear storyline called Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons. I already played a little bit of it. I really like it. Controls are a bit iffy, but you'll get used to it. I've watched other people play it before, so I kind of spoiled myself, but that doesn't mean I don't want to not experience it myself, so let's go play. I'm gonna play a new game.
Nai! Nai! Ata! Ata, Nai! Ata!
So your mom died, and now your dad is sick. And now we have to drag him all the way to the doctors. This is gonna be fun, because I suck at this. It took me forever, but I had a little head start. Alright, so the blue guy is the big brother, and the orange guy is the tiny crap. So space and control, and you have to keep holding onto it. So the blue guy, you use the WASD, while the little one you use the regular arrow keys. Don't stop it, brother. This is going well. Don't do your little breakdance move, big brother. I don't know what kind of language these two speak. It's kind of interesting. I know it's made by a Swedish man, so it could be. I don't know what language. Just alright. Oh, okay. Big brother, can a little brother do this? No, and it's control. Okay, you're And then get back to father. Don't go without me. Okay. Now you can go. Turn. Alright, now you two need to work together. Brothers, get together. Don't get all meh. Alright, now get on top of your brother. Now, brother. And then you go here and you stay there like a good boy. Brother, get up there. And help your little brother. Now. Now get out of the way, brother. That's right, brother. Hey, what's up? That's English. I mean, I guess if it's a new language, they use gestures and emotion, tone in their voices to make you understand, so it's actually not all that bad. But I don't find a new language necessary if this is a totally different language.
Mafi sadi abaya. Vida wade.
Lia.
Ada. Tai. Haru saiki.
Can we all appreciate how beautiful the music is? So we're gonna go help our father who's sick and dying, and we're gonna get some medicine for him, but it's a long journey, of course. So yeah. You know, usually most of the indie games I play are pixelated, but this one's 3D and it looks really well done. I love it. Now.
Athena ba.
Oda, when hadi?
Are you seriously kidding me? You're not letting us through because whatever? Oh my god, whatever. We'll just go this way.
Na. Mafi isada.
Iada.
Na mafi. Badi na.
Oh, you can't?
Bisayem nai mata. Huh?
Valila.
Ah.
Well, your mom kind of drowned, and you couldn't save her, and that's okay, but that's probably why you're so stressed. Okay, little brother, yeah. Okay, we got that. Oh. Okay. God, if it just weren't, if that. Oh. Okay, so. No, it's so cute. Okay, we have to get up here, I think. And then you get up. Oh well, we just gotta go another way. Little brother, what are you doing? Little brother, I'm gonna be really loud because I'm gonna be concerned for my little brother. Not the little brother I have, just the little brother that is here. I do have a little brother. He's annoying. Oh, we already went through here. Alright. I don't know why that guy hates us so much. Do we go up here? Here, test it out, brother. Aha! Yes, little brother. Little brother. Oh. Okay, okay. Okay. Oh, that. Oh! Jesus Christ. This is gonna take a while. Okay. Okay, wait. I think I understand. I think I understand. Okay, get over here. Alright. Control space. Up. Control space up. Control space up. Oh, Jesus Christ. Never doing this again. Oh. You can jump on your own will. Oh, do you? Oh. Okay. Control up. What? No. Oh. Okay. I understand. Come on, brother. What are you doing? All right. Jump down. Oh yeah. Shh. All right. They seem to be arguing. I'm just gonna sit. You're gonna sit with a sleeping old man. What happens when we go?
Yeah. Yeah.
Can we get up here?
Da.
No, we don't want to die. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Thank you. Alright, let me shift. Because we don't want to. Oh, wow, this is quite pretty.
Atta.
Okay, let's... Well, let's...
Atta. Hey, Nai.
Why? Why is this such a jerk? Oh well. Get up there! Okay, you're too big. You can go in just fine. Well, thank goodness you're afraid of a tiny dog, you... Good! Let's laugh at him. Can you laugh at him?
Meeple the meeple!
Yeah, that's what you get. Let's all laugh at him.
La la.
Yes, mock him! Ah, ah, ah. Let's see, is there anything? No, there's nothing behind. This is gonna be really difficult to control.
Ano?
Alcida!
Anna, when Hadi?
Thank you. Alright. So, we just decided, instead of just waking him up, we just had to throw water on him. That's cool. Alright, I think this is a great place to stop at. Or maybe it's not. Maybe I should keep playing. I don't know anymore. Well, I think I'm done. Thank you for watching my first Let's Play of Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons. Right now it's on sale on Steam. I highly suggest getting it. It's for keyboard only. You can't use a controller, which I think it's better that way. At first I thought it would suck, but it's better that way because holy crap, that would be really infuriating for me. And already the keyboards are really hard to control, but so yeah, I will play this somewhere tomorrow along with Fez. So thank you for listening, thank you for watching me, and see ya.